How to connect Google Domains to Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Domains domain to your Shopify store step by step. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. I'm using a sample Shopify store here for demonstration purposes, but the process will be exactly the same for your own store. So the first thing you need to do is log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on your Shopify dashboard, look at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click on Settings. From the menu that appears, select Domains. Now, when you're in the Domains section, you'll probably only see the default Shopify domain listed here if you haven't connected any custom domain yet. To add a domain that you've purchased from Google Domains, you'll want to click on the Connect Existing Domain button. Here, you'll be asked to enter the domain you own. So now, let's head over to Google Domains. On the 15th of June 2023, Google entered into a definitive agreement with Squarespace, indicating their intent to purchase all domain registrations and related customer accounts from Google Domains. So heading to Squarespace website, log into your Google account and go to the My Domains section. You'll see a list of all the domains you've purchased under your account. Now going back to Shopify, I'll type www. And then paste the rest of the domain, so it becomes something like www. Once that's entered, click on Next. Shopify will now detect that you're using a domain purchased through Google Domains. Since Google Domains allows automatic connection, you'll see an option that says Connect Automatically. Go ahead and click on that. This will allow Shopify to update your DNS records automatically without you needing to do anything manually. After that, Shopify will confirm that the connection is successful. Once that's done, you can close that pop-up window and return to your Shopify dashboard. Your domain will now appear in your list of connected domains. If you want your store to use this domain as the main website address, you can set it as your primary domain. This means customers will see your custom domain when they visit your store. Keep in mind, DNS changes might take some time to fully propagate. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 to 48 hours for the changes to reflect globally. Actually, I made a small mistake during the example. I had typed the domain name incorrectly at first, which is why the site didn't load. But once I corrected it, everything worked perfectly. So that's how you can connect your Google Domains domain to your Shopify store easily and automatically. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you out. If it did, make sure to like the video and leave a comment below if you have any questions. That's all for the video.